has never heard about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, or even the latest ones such as Shiba or SafeMoon? The investors are rapidly increasing their positions in those assets, although investing in them is usually a pain in the neck. These assets have a high volatility and their movements don't follow any traditional market rule, and cryptocurrencies markets are not efficient. However, in this video you can learn how to automate investments in cryptocurrencies by using a well-known indicator, RSI. Firstly, let's introduce the RSI indicator. This metric allows you to know when a trend is about to end and when you should buy or sell depending on the trend direction. There are usually two thresholds, a maximum and a minimum, which typically are 70 and 30 respectively. These thresholds translate into the following rules. If the RSI indicator is over the maximum threshold, 70, it's time to sell because the uptrend is finishing and a downtrend is expected to come. On the contrary, if the RSI indicator is under the minimum threshold, 30, it's time to buy because the downtrend is finishing and an uptrend is supposed to come. RSI needs to set a window to compute its value. The higher the window is, the more difficult it is to reach the maximum and minimum thresholds. In the following image, there is an example with the Bitcoin price. Sometimes there are two sell orders in a row without any buy order in between. In this time, the indicator is reassuring a trend. In this video, we'll use 5 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Shiba, and SafeMoon. The data used starts on the 1st of January 2018, excepting Shiba and SafeMoon, which start on the 14th of May 2021 and 14th of March 2021 respectively. First of all, let's define a simple rule based on the value of RSI with some predefined parameters. Window equal to 6 days, maximum threshold equal to 90, and minimum threshold equal to 10. First, the first time we invest in a cryptocurrency is when its RSI is over 10. Second, if RSI is over 90, we sell the cryptocurrency. Third, if RSI is under 10, we buy the cryptocurrency. 4. The weight is allocated equally between every cryptocurrency that is recommended to buy. 5. If there is no currency available to invest, we keep money in cash, not invested. In this test, we take into account a portfolio made up of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano from the 1st of January 2018. The performance of the portfolio shows that depending on when you invest, you can earn a great deal of money. However, when RSI fails, the drawdown may be significant, like in 2018 or at the end of 2021. As we've seen, the RSI indicator can fail individually, so we test another method to invest based on crossing RSI indicators. Now we set two windows, a short one of 6 days and a long one of 24 days. If the short RSI indicator window equal to 6 is over the long RSI indicator window equal to 24, it's time to buy, and otherwise it's time to sell. The rule of the methodology is as following. 1. If the short RSI indicator is over the long RSI indicator, we buy the cryptocurrency. 2. If the short RSI indicator is under the long RSI indicator, we sell the cryptocurrency. 3. The weight is allocated equally between every currency that is recommended to buy. 4. If there is no currency available to invest, we keep money in cash, not invested. Now the performance has improved compared with using a single RSI indicator because the methodology has detected the uptrends pretty well. However, the result has a high volatility, which is difficult to pad up with if you're risk averse. There are some cryptocurrencies that have recently started and they did strongly. These are Shiba and SafeMoon. The methodology that crosses two RSI indicators performs rightly, taking into account that Shiba is seeing a constant downtrend. Well, friends, as we have seen, the RSI indicator proves to work well with cryptocurrencies. Do you decide to invest?